Okay, so here's the Hangman code I was referring to. So ideally, you've completed our shopping cart code at this point, and I want to point out we have different functions here. We have add item, remove item, show shopping cart, clear shopping cart, and then our main function loop that loops over all of our helper functions, if you will. Now I want you to take a look at our Hangman code and see where there are places like these elif statements that are going on, and see if you can figure out how would you split these out maybe into separate functions, thinking that functions should really only do one thing. And you could also look at our overarching variables here and think about how they might lend themselves to be thinking about different functions. For instance, lives and 10. How is lives managed throughout here? When do we add and subtract to our lives? Things like whether the game is over or what's been guessed, when what's been guessed is added to or not added to. All of those things may lend themselves to individual functions. So I don't want to lay out a clear course exactly for which functions you're going to write or how you're going to write those functions and combine them, but I want you thinking about what functions can I pull out from this code to essentially make this more like our shopping cart, which is a cleaner way of approaching this kind of program. Okay? Good luck.